Hey, what's going on, you guys? I'm just curious. Has any of you ever seen one of these little guys? This is a miniature Glock 17 Gen 5 with the MOS cutout on it. And it's something else. Something else. It's all metal in its construction. Inside of it says Glock 17 Gen 5 Austria 9x19. Just like you would normally see. The other side looks like it may have a serial number. Barrel. Guide rod. Spring. Grip. There's a little safety in the trigger like most Glocks do. Mag is metal. Bottom plate looks like it actually comes off. It does have a follower with a spring. That's crazy. I just noticed that. You know what it does? I'm not going to take it off though. There's a little pin on the bottom. You can push that in, take that base plate off, take the spring out, take the follower out, just like a real Glock magazine. And this does say Glock Austria on the back. To reassemble this little guy is literally just like your Glock 17. So barrel goes back in. Guide rod and spring. There's a little catch up here that goes up there for the guide rod to keeps the guide rod in, or this keeps the spring on. So once I get this in, I'll show you. That pushes down. And sets just like so. That was a slide lock. See how small the takedown is? And it's just like a regular Glock. You have to pull down on both sides for the takedown to work. Load up these 6 rounds. Bullets are just little solid projectiles. They really don't do anything. Just for show, my boys, just for show. We'll press check. And the trigger actually will function like a normal the normal Glock trigger. So if you don't depress the little safety part of the trigger won't go back. So you have to press that little lever in the trigger to get it to push all the way back. And that was it right there. And then just pulling the slide back will eject the little bullets. And then it slide locks when it's done. And this is actually a keychain. I don't think I'd want that on my keys, but it's kind of big. The world's smallest Glock 17 Gen 5. Get you some.